I think gentrification has got this far.
Oh yes, it's all around, see? Bike riders.
She is everything to Ward 7. She is the mother of Ward 7, really.
Her heart is really right here in Ward 7 because Barbara could probably live wherever she wanted to live at this stage in her life. But this is home.
My name is Barbara D. Morgan. The D stands for my maiden name, which is drawn. My husband and I, my daughter, we moved in Ward 7 in 1962. And this is me back in the day. Well, when we moved into Ward 7, we've seen a change because there were only 2 African American families. We had Italians and we had, we call them Gentiles, which were whites. And when we moved in, of course, and they started moving out. Some folk felt that once we started moving in, everything would go down and so forth. But that wasn't, we had the prettiest lawn and we just did things. I planted that, and what has to happen, that one has to, I put a banana under this one, and it comes back every year.
The Anacostia Community Museum's gardening program has been going on for about 8 years now. Miss Morgan has been an active participant since the beginning.
I got started with that community program, I would say, in the 70s. As a matter of fact, we started the project over in Fort DuPont, but I took my kids over and we had to weed and we had to, take care of stuff, and we grew stuff that we were able to eat.
She shared a lot of her background knowledge, she shared a lot of her experience living in the community, and she's also helped us to make sure that as we were putting together the program from its infancy, that we didn't omit anything and that we were all inclusive in what we were teaching.
My gardening now is basically my flowers and my stuff here and my plants that I have growing in my living room. As a matter of fact, that plant right there that was given to me by the first lady, Effie Berry, and I still have that. Actually, even now, I go out and I work in my yard and I do plantings and so forth. It's therapeutic. It's very good for you. I'm not pleased with what is happening in Ward 7 now. I think there is a lot that needs to be done. We have to learn and we have to understand that regardless of where you come from, you got to be there to help, and you have to be there to guide these young people. There has to be somebody there to teach people who don't know about gardening how to be a gardener, to show them. It has to be a hands-on type thing with people.
Miss Morgan is an icon. She's an example of what we want to be like and what she's trying to relate to the community at large, get young people involved.
And she has gotten me more involved in Ward 7. And I thank her for that. Yeah, so she's a beautiful lady.